Good morning, everyone. This is Marigold, Book 5 for English 5th. Today we are going to learn chapter My Elder Brother. So, here is. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi Bade Bhai Saheb, written by Munshi Premchand. So ये स्टोरी बड़े भाई साहब माय बिग ब्रदर जो प्रेमचंद जी हैं हिंदी की उसमें से ट्रांसलेटेड है. सीन 1. देखो ये प्ले है. प्ले यानी नाटक. उसमें अलग अलग सीन्स आते हैं. सीन 1 ये है. अ हॉस्टल रूम. टू ब्रदर्स एट 9 aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. Bhaiya says, "What are you doing, Munna?" Munna, "I am drawing." Bhaiya, "When will you study? Where were you in the morning?" Munna, turning pale. Turning pale मतलब थोड़ा फीका हो गया. I was playing, Bhaiya. I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, you know, studying English is no child's play. Child's play मतलब easy नहीं है. Child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idly away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Idly यानी आराम से बैठे रहना दोस्तों के साथ. तो क्या तुम स्टडी नहीं कर सकते हो? मुन्ना, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or watch hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Munna starts crying on being scolded and sobbing sounds wah 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 as heard. रोने लगा मुन्ना. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Dawn मतलब सुबह. Early morning. ये dawn मतलब. Time schedule. 6 a.m. Wash your hands. Have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. A.m. means morning. English 8 to 9 a.m. Maths 9 to 9:30 a.m. History 3:30 p.m. दोपहर के बाद. Then off to school 5-6 p.m. Grammar, half an hour for strolling. Strolling means walking करना, घूमना. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition. Then dinner 8-9 Translation 9-10 Hindi, 10-11 other subjects, and then to bed. तो हियर इज द टाइम टेबल फॉर स्टडी, है ना, पूरा दिन बिजी है ना, ऐसे भैया बना देने वाले थे। मुन्ना, बट व्हेन इज द टाइम टू प्ले, खेलने का टाइम कब है? भैया, प्ले, व्हाट इज द नीड? मुन्ना, खेलने की क्या जरूरत है? मुन्ना, ओ आई लव द ग्रीन फील्ड्स, द जेंटल ब्रीज एंड आई वॉन्ट टू जंप अप लाइक अ फुटबॉल। आई लाइक the touch and go and hutu-tutu sound of the kabaddi and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. Magnet मतलब एक लोह चुंबक। तो ये सारी गेम्स हैं, मुन्ना को खींचती हैं, मुन्ना को खेलने का बहुत शौक है। As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. भैया, alas, I have failed once again. भैया फेल हो गए हैं। मुन्ना, oh, but भैया I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. देखो, दोनों भाई हैं, इनमें से दोनों में से 5 साल का एज का गैप है और पढ़ाई में 3 साल का गैप है, मगर इस साल भैया फेल हुए, अब 2 साल का गैप रह गया है। भैया, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only 1 class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, in a gulli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes SEB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Munna, oh, Bhai Saheb, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to 9th class now. But I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Bhaiya, just today, we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. Munna, thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school or else the scolding would have gone on and on. तो भैया इसको डांटते रहते हैं। Scene 3. The results were out once again and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Munna, talking aloud, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. One day a kite is flying slowly downwards. मुन्ना स्टार्ट्स रनिंग इन ऑर्डर टू ग्रैब इट। ग्रैब मतलब काइट उड़ रही थी, उसको पकड़ने मुन्ना दौड़ने लगा। सडनली ही कम्स फेस टू फेस विथ भैया। अचानक भैया सामने आ गए। भैया कैचिंग होल्ड ऑफ मुन्नास हैंड, आरंट यू अशेम्ड टू बी प्लेइंग काइट्स ऑल डे लॉन्ग? तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती पूरा दिन ऐसे काइट उड़ाते हुए, प्लेइंग करते हुए? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are not studying in lower class? If you think that I am just 1 class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you. You are and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. मुन्ना, रियली भैया, इज दैट ट्रू? बाबा, माँ तो पढ़ी नहीं है, बाबा 5th क्लास पढ़ी है। मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूं, तुमको कह सकता हूं, 5 साल बड़ा हूं तो बड़ा ही रहूंगा, ऐसा भैया ने कहा। भैया यस, देर आर 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Maya and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Munna, I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hospital. Bhaiya, I had expected this answer. Now, Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Munna, with tears in his eyes, Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites. But if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Munna, I love you, भैया. So, इस स्टोरी में दो भाइयों की स्टोरी है. बड़ा भाई और छोटे भाई में 5 साल का अंतर है. बड़ा भाई 3 क्लासेस ज़्यादा पढ़ता है और पढ़ाई ज़्यादा करता रहता है और भाई का ख्याल रखता है और पूरा दिन घर में बैठे बैठे फिर वो ऐसे फेल भी होता है. 2 भाइयों के प्यार की कथा है, यहाँ पे बात की गई है. सो गुड बाय.